Hi friends, welcome to another video of Big Tech Talk. In today's video, we are going to dive into two important and often confusing concepts in Apache Airflow, that is, Catchup and Backfill. So let's start the video. Understanding the difference between these two is key to manage your data pipeline effectively, especially when dealing with historical data or recovering from failure. Let's start with Catchup. Imagine a scenario. Today is Friday, you write a new DAG and its start date is set to last Monday with a daily schedule interval. The big question is, what happens when you turn this DAG on for the very first time? By default, Airflow is designed to ensure no data is missed. So, when you unpause this DAG, Airflow will notice that it has not ran this DAG for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. It will immediately schedule and execute all missed runs to catch up to the current date. This behavior is controlled by the catchup parameter in our DAG definition, which defaults to true. Let's see this in action. This is my VS Code editor and I will create a file with the name as create DAG with catchup_backfill.py. Let me import DAG, task, datetime and bash operator. And to create a DAG instance, I will write @DAG. Inside this, I will write DAG ID equals DAG with catchup_backfill_v1. Start date equals datetime 2026-1-25. Catchup equals false so that it should not run the DAG for the previous dates. Schedule equals @daily, which means it will run daily. Now I will create the function for the DAG, so I will write def tutorial_catchup_backfill. Now let me create a variable that holds an instance of a bash operator class. So I will write bash_task equals bash operator, task ID equals bash_print_date, bash command equals echo in single quotes. Airflow is currently processing for date ds. Now let me create a task, so I will write @task def process_bash_operator, which takes bash_output as an argument. Print output as bash_output. And now I will call this task with the function name. So process_bash_operator with bash_task.output. And at the end, tutorial_catchup_backfill. Now let me open the terminal and start the Airflow. So I will type docker compose up-d. Now my Airflow is up and running. Go to Airflow web UI. The username is Airflow and the password is Airflow. Our DAG ID is DAG with catchup and backfill. And I will activate this so that my DAG can run. And if you see, my DAG ran only for today, since catchup is set to false. When I unpause the DAG, Airflow will ignore all those past dates. It will only schedule the next upcoming run based on the current time. If I go back to the VS Code and change catchup as true and change the DAG ID as V2 and save it. Refresh the page, and if I activate this and wait for a few seconds, you will see Airflow has executed our DAGs from 25th to the current date. This has happened because of Catchup. So this was Catchup. It's automatic. Now what is Backfill? Backfill is manual operation. It allows you to trigger DAG for a specific historical time range regardless of your DAG's start date or its catch-up setting. Think of it as an on-demand tool. You would use it when you need to rerun your old DAG. It might be because of some bug in your code, or maybe you need to run for a period before your DAG's official start date. Let me show it. In the VS Code, I will change the DAG ID as version 3 and Catchup as false. And save it, refresh the browser, and this is our DAG. I will unpause the DAG, and if I refresh it, it ran for the current date. But to run it for the back dates, we need to go to Run Backfill option over here. Choose a date range, so 24th of Jan to 29th of Jan, and click on Run Backfill. And if I go to Run tab, you can see the DAG is executed from 25th of Jan to 29th of Jan. And if I go inside the 25th run and go to process bash operator, you can see the output for 25th Jan. So, to summarize, Catchup is an automatic process that happens when a DAG is unpaused. It runs all missed intervals from the start date up to the current date. You control it with the catchup equals true or false parameter in your DAG code. Whereas Backfill is a manual process to run a DAG for a specific historical time range on demand. With this, I will wrap up today's video. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Do hit the like button and subscribe for more such video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.